Bitong Rengthama constituency Arlo BEC mate Believers Eastern Church Rengthama Lakhasir Kep along Kedamtang Nipai Ingoraner Keper Nipen Nipai Hiniar Ni An Believers Eastern Church Satgaon Diocese Atumpen Pong Nia Pong An Mason Pen Convention Amaipi Kapaman Pon Believers Eastern Church Satgaon Diocese Atumpen Bang Somaipi Kepaman Pon along Aluhiaman Pengpen Reverend Father Azai Tulsiari Reverend Father N. Khumba, Reverend Father Thangau Dimgal, Father Tapan Milik Atumpen Chitongdunsi Bangso Mailong RD Chipidunlo. Jesimet Bangso Maipi Kipaman Ponalong at Hepi Kiripon Lake. Let us examine our ways and return to the Lord. Lamentation Angdeng Pi Ketom Angdeng Soplikep along Lang Ponsi. Reverend Atumpen Radaphan Arnamalam Than Ponlo. Mai pi kedo un hut arnamaphan kiro lun pen lun cheto tame lun ponlo. La pen Reverend atum pen Bible kang tiralong pen athi pi kiri pon alam the tame rada tumaphan than mum ponlo.
Arbiang long radaphan editum josimet ke jitu mane itum ningarong ningkang sam kelong ponje phan labang so program nitum non Patahinian kecok nitum Believer Eastern Church Satgaon Diocese nitum non ada Rengthama number 9 ala jakat sing nitum labang so program Senpen nitum pacun pon
sa non kebang jilangan ning kana farman nang litum kuna si kapeman ponje
nilitum non kebang jia farman bang kela pusan si non nitum committee chengwai pon pelang sila bang so committee nitum chengwai pon detensi nitum along ka breaks na mela pusan kipi pon jia phan nitum chisik pon akhema nitum la pusan si peneng la pusan si hamren li pudante moneng ke dokmuka la moneng si bang ke bukulia la pusan si nitum jaga nitum tempon
Believers Eastern Church Satgaon Diocese Convention was held from 20th February to 2nd March, and the main theme is let us examine ourselves and come to the Lord. The main speaker were Father N. Khumba, General Vicar of Jorhat Region, Father Ajay Tulsiari, Regional Vicar of Adipur Region, Reverend Father Thangau, myself, and also Father Tapan Milik. So the main teaching was on building the family, the society, and the nation. And Believers Church Satgaon Diocese is comprised of different tribes and coming from different places like Bokolia.
Dongkamukam pen Wiki Bay, Carbing Long Life.